Okay.
Good morning, Sir Madam. I am Sheila Marie Alones, 24 years old. I am single and I am a Catholic. We are five in the family. I have one brother and one sister, and I am the youngest of them. I graduated as a hotel and restaurant management at Ilocosur Community College. I have a work experience in Gomez Traje Catering Services, in Capellona Restaurant, caregiving, and housemaid. My job is waitress, set up the tables. I can do all the household chores, take good care of a children or a child, and also take good care of an elderly person. I can also sing a song for your kid. I am caring and loving children. I want to go to abroad because I too have a better future for my family and to fulfill all the needs of my son. Sir, Madam, choose me as one of your maid, and I will do all my duties and responsibilities. You will not regret for choosing me, and I will respect you as my employer. I am patient, understanding, kind, honest, caring, loving, hardworking. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I will treat your family as my own. Hope to see you soon, Sir, Madam. Thank you.